Whew, look how beautiful this is. Oh, that sunshine feels amazing after last night. It was such a cold night, but cold and wet night because so the trail was really muddy because of all the snow melting. And so my feet were super, super wet. On the positive side of that, I think it really helped with my swollen feet. So this morning I put on slightly ice cold. They weren't iced, but they were cold socks and cold shoes. And I didn't feel like I had to warm up as much as for the inflammation. But that was nice. Although it still feels kind of weird to have cold feet. But yeah, they're warming up right now. My feet are just 'cause of the sun. It was really wet, so eventually I'll have to find a spot to put my tent out to dry in my sleeping bag, because my sleeping bag gets really, really wet from the outside, not the inside. It's a really warm sleeping bag. I think that's what it is that's causing the condensation, that it's a 0-degree bag. And then on top of that, I still have a liner. So I sleep warm, extra warm. But I think that actually puts the temperature in the tent up. But anyways, that's my hypothesis or theory on my condensation in my tent. I was also at 10,300 feet. I went all the way up to 3,500 feet. And as you can tell, now I am just going down. I stopped at my first water source, which was melted snow stream. So it's a little tanny, like brownish, but it should filter pretty good. I guess that water wasn't there in April, but now that the snow is melting, the little stream is up there. So that was nice because I got too cocky and was like, oh, there's plenty of water. And then I only had a liter, so I couldn't make coffee this morning until I still haven't made coffee, but now I have some water so that I can make coffee. I'm still trying to get to 4 miles by 9:30, so that's why I haven't stopped. Just to grab water and go. I didn't even filter it. I'm trying to meet that goal regardless. So, but beautiful morning, gorgeous day, a lot of down trees, but we're gonna keep on going towards Ghost Ranch is the next stop. Small little town, super tiny. I should be able to get there tomorrow, so a shower, maybe wash my clothes, and then head on out to what I'm thinking is already border of Colorado. So more to come on that. I'll have to check on it maybe today or tomorrow night as I'm in Ghost Ranch. That's a gorgeous view. Yes, that's another mesa over there. Another mesa over there. But here's the trail. Looks like I'm going down into that forest. And then here's where I came from. So up from there. The sun's out, so it's a little bit warm, but feels good. Yeah, this is a beautiful view. I finally got to see where I'm headed to, because I was really in the mountains, so this is pretty. That means I eventually have to go up that, huh? Yes. There. So I am soaking my feet in this stream, since I think the cold really helped it last time. I'm gonna put it in water, cold water. This water is cold. So yeah, just gonna soak it for a little bit longer, grab some water. My next water source is about 10 miles from here, so I'll have to take another liter. I think that should be good. I have 1.5. I take another one because it's a little bit warm, so I'd rather be safe. I also want to have extra water for like amino acids and stuff like that. Electrolytes. And so, but yeah, nice little stream. Very cold. The water that I just got from the snow tastes actually really good. I don't know if I was just really that thirsty, but it actually tastes really good, even though like it's still a little bit brown. So we'll see how this one comes out. You guessed it. I am on top of a mesa. I crossed the road. Came from that mountain over there. Beautiful mountains. Came from somewhere over there. Maybe over here. Yep. And then you see the mesas all along here. So it looks like I have another climb today. So if you can see the clouds, I was able to miss them yesterday, so hopefully that's the case today. But beautiful views, beautiful properties that you can see from here. It's really pretty. But alright, gonna get to climbing. Hopefully it is the last climb of the day before I set up camp. The climbs are real in this section. I think I had to get to the top, but this trail always does it to me. That's the climb. And I only started climbing at like 3:40, and gone probably no more than 3 miles, just because the climb is so big. And then additionally, I am in a burnt area, so I could stay, but it's kind of not recommended. And then it looked like it was going to rain, so I was trying to get fast past the burnt area because of flash flood. So but now we climb, and that was the final climb after a sign of hikers and horses. You can see in the background, I showed you those mountains when I was at the bottom on the other side. I don't think I had a clue I was gonna have to climb to the top today, but you know, it wasn't a lot of miles. Good thing I was there early. I wasn't like lollygagging, thinking that I just had very little miles left. But yeah, I'm gonna get to my next water source, which is about less than a mile. Take some for breakfast this time, and then find a campsite. But if you know, you know that what goes up needs to come down. So hopefully I can find a spot. It's still 6:30. The sun should be out till like 7:38, but I'm already at 20 miles. I was thinking 23, but after that climb, I think 22, 21 would be alright. I'd be happy with myself. I'm pretty happy about that climb. During it, I was miserable, but now that I'm up here, whew, It feels good. Alright, I just want to take you guys to the edge because I do think I am going to have to climb down from this as well. But that looks like it.